Hello everyone, welcome to Graphics World. Today I will show you how to design an Instagram post. So let's go to the started. First we will set up the page, create new Instagram post design, 3000 wide and 3000 height, resolution 300, color mode RGB, then create. Select to the rectangle tool, then holding down shift and dragging the right mouse button to create a square shape. Edit, free transform path, 45-degree rotation, then OK. Edit, free transform, press shift and dragging the square shape through mouse. If you want to back, press Ctrl Z. Double click on the shape, gradient overlay, gradient, choose the color, angle 90, scale 80, then OK. Duplicate layer, remove gradient overlay, choose the color, duplicate layer, gradient overlay, then OK. Select a picture of your choice, press right button on the mouse, then flip horizontal. Press right button on the mouse, then flip horizontal. Select the shape, duplicate layer, click on the gradient overlay, choose color, angle 90, scale 60, align with layer, opacity 60, holding down the control by click left button on the mouse. Delete the shape, click right button on the mouse, convert to a smart object, then rasterize layer, delete, Ctrl D means deselect, select rectangular marquee tool, create shape, press delete button, press Ctrl D, double click on the shape, gradient overlay, then reverse. OK. Click text tool, OK, then click character, font size 46, Ctrl T means free transform. OK. Acrobold, semibold, edit free transform. OK. Select move tool, then rectangle tool. Create this shape. Alt plus shift and dragging left button on the mouse. This layer used to change color, white, then OK. Edit free transform. Then OK. Select the text tool. Click character, extra bold, font size 50. Then select the rectangle tool and create a shape. Change to the color. Then OK. For center, press Ctrl, click left button on the mouse. Then select, deselect. Now copy this layer. Select text tool. OK. Edit free transform or Ctrl T. Then OK. Change to color. Select text tool. OK, done. Semi bold, color white, Ctrl T or free transform. Then OK. Click rectangle tool. Create a shape. Change to color. Click text tool. OK. Bold, Ctrl T or free transform. Then OK. Select text tool. OK. Semi bold, Ctrl T. Then OK. Select text tool. Edit free transform, then OK. Select move tool, bold, change to color, select ellipse tool and create a shape. Now edit free transform, then OK. 5. Press enter button, then click right button on the mouse, convert to a smart object, change to color, for personal information. Now I need a phone icon. Then OK. Double click on the layer, color overlay, then OK. Edit free transform, OK. Select rectangle tool, edit free transform, rotation 45°, then OK. Change to color, Alt plus Shift and dragging left button on the mouse. Click left button on the mouse and convert to a smart object. Then rasterize layer. Select rectangular marquee tool, delete, then select, deselect. Copy this layer, edit free transform, select rectangular marquee tool, delete, Ctrl D, now I need some social media icon, edit free transform, select move tool. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget like, comment and share.